Hi guys, welcome back. This is episode 1 of 3 of the DB4 behind us. It'll cover the dismantling, the corrosion and the priming stage with a very short time-lapse video of it going into primer. Enjoy. Got the car up on stands, ready to start the dismantling. We'll be boxing everything up, removing all the bright work, front and rear bumpers. The boot bonnet and doors will come off, but the front and rear screen will be staying in as per customer request. I'll get everything taken off and boxed up and put upstairs for safekeeping. We'll be taking all the material off the front and rear arches, a good couple of inches, sill edges, front and rear valances, and then blending in where it's been levelled. There'll be an irregular difference in material depth. So we'll be blending in that with a light skim of filler around all the lower edges, then blending that in and then priming the whole car. We'll use the material that's on the car as a substrate and blend into that. Things like the side vents, we're improving where they're very irregular. We're trying to improve it as best we can, but within a limited budget. The material on the bonnet needed to come off because there was some corrosion on there along with the doors, so they've been taken back to bare metal, and there's just too much material on the bonnet, an excessive amount of filler. So that's all coming off, and now we're going to be long blocking the bonnet, boot and doors to reveal any low areas, and there really didn't amount to an awful lot, just a fine skim here and there. There was some corrosion to the bottoms of the doors, the driver's door particularly, nothing much, just a lower corner, so we've cut that out, replaced that. The passenger side had a very small little square, needed letting in. Normally the frames go completely, but this was actually quite good. Here you can see the material that we've put into the doors. There's very, very little. The bonnet was the same. The boot, we didn't take all the material off. We just blocked what was on there so that it was a better shape, and then we've high build primed everything. Here we're just improving the door frames where there's lows and weld joints, so we're sort of smoothing it all in just to improve it. The top of the door frames weren't very nice, so we've improved those as well. And now it's all getting masked up for primer. And here you'll see the time-lapse video of it. One coat of etch primer on all the bare aluminium and around the edges of the car. And then there'll be one of 4 coats of black high build primer around the whole lot. This is the first of 4 coats of black high build primer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tune in, like, subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.